subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. In this video we talk about Honor Watch GS3 smartwatch. Leaked real-life images show the watch in a sleek all-black color, looking identical to its official promo photos from August. Strap appears to be made of rubber while the body looks to be of metal. The tipster who leaked the images has further revealed that the watch lacks wireless charging but also carries a very cost-effective price. Other known information about the Honor Watch GS3 is that it is the company's very first smartwatch to be equipped with an 8-channel heart rate AI engine. Tech allows for greater accuracy in dynamic heart rate monitoring and reduces the risk of heart rhythm signal instability. Honor Watch GS3 itself has a round dial attached to a metal case. It has 2 physical buttons and uses quick-release straps. It will be available in 3 color and design variants. There is Voyager, which has a silver case and blue leather straps, Streamer Classic with a golden case and brown leather straps, and Racing Edition with a gray case and black rubber straps. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.